Welcome to Love Connection, where old-fashioned romance meets modern-day technology, and where you'll hear an update on the happy couple. And now, here's the host of Love Connection, Kate Woolery.
Thank you, guys. Thanks so much for being here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to Love Connection. Now, let's get started by meeting our first guest. Located in El Segundo, this race car company has been getting a lot of press in the media recently for their latest car, the P4000. After winning the Daytona 500 last year, this team is just getting started. They're gearing up for their next big win. Let's welcome Natalia from Puddles Racing.
Don't jinx us.
Okay,
thank you for having me. It's nice to be here.
Good, good. Now, Natalia is the head of project management at Puddles Racing and is here to find her true love connection. Natalia, why don't you tell us a little bit more of what you're looking for in a true love connection?
Well, Kate, I'm looking for a long-term partner to help me achieve my goals. I've had a lot of failed connections lately. Really, I'm just looking for an independent, stable solution that I can depend on. I need something that will support me, create the strong parts I need, and be flexible when needed.
Sounds great, Natalia. Now let's take a look at the 3 eligible bachelors we have picked out for you. Our first bachelor is the Neo 800, a big guy who's versatile, but for you, is coming dressed to the nines with Somos Perform. Perform is a ceramic-filled material creating strong, smooth parts. Plus, it's okay with taking some heat. It has a heat deflection temperature of 268 degrees Celsius. That's 514 degrees Fahrenheit for all you Americans watching at home. He's looking to take you out on a date to do some wind tunnel testing. He won't be late for the date because his prep time is 5 times faster than the other fish in the sea. It should be a good time, just maybe don't do your hair before.
A ceramic-filled material? I didn't even know that was possible.
Our second bachelor, the H350, comes with a backstory. This guy recently made an air ventilation duct with one of your competitors. It helped them save time and gave them a repeatable solution that they could replicate quickly on their fleet of cars. He used PA11 to do this because it was lightweight, strong, and could handle the high temps. He is a master of multitasking, creating over 60 air ducts in under a month, while also printing small jigs and fixtures in the same build platform. He's flexible with strong throughput, quickly getting what you need. And now, he's looking to do the same for you.
Wow, he can do that in all one build platform? That's impressive.
Now, our final bachelor, the Fortis 450, is well known in the 3D printer industry as a class act date. He's reliable, efficient, and comes with a lot of strong materials ready to go. He thinks you'll like Nylon 12CF the best since it's impact resistant and carbon fiber filled. He doesn't come with much baggage since he's emotionally efficient, and he enjoys helping others. In fact, just the other month, he gave the Ford Mustang a 15% weight reduction compared to what they were seeing before, and, not to mention, a 70% cost savings. What would he do for you? Well, you'll just have to go on the date to find out. Now, Natalia, which bachelor are you going to choose? Bachelor 1, the Neo 800, Bachelor 2, the H350, or Bachelor 3, the Fortis 450?
Kate, I'm gonna choose bachelor number 2. I do love big machines, but bachelor number 1 doesn't have the material features I'm looking for right now. Bachelor number 3 has great weight and cost savings, but the aesthetics aren't where I want them to be for my part. Bachelor number 2 just seems to have it all. He's confident, strong, and is able to provide for me.
Well, congratulations, you two. We cannot wait to hear how the date went. And we're back with Natalia from Puddles Racing. Natalia, tell us how the date with the H350 went.
Well, let me tell you, it was a pretty cool date. The H350 made some air ventilation units which helped reduce temperatures and enhance our performance, all while fitting perfectly on the windshields of our race cars. I was worried that the dynamic might be off a little bit, but nothing the H350 did all night impacted any of the aerodynamics. Our cars are faster and stronger than ever. The H350 really seems like the full package. He went all out, not only printing our air ventilation ducts, but also printing other parts like fixtures, panels, and even the buckles.
Wow, sounds like sparks were flying. So is it safe to say there's gonna be a second date?
You know what? I definitely see a long-term future for us, and I'm really excited to see where it goes.
Well, there you have it, folks. That's our show for today. We'll be back tomorrow with more singles trying to make a love connection, and I'll be here with you. Bye-bye.